Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost horse in Moo Online. Creating this unique mount involves a few specific steps and materials. We'll guide you through the process, from gathering the necessary components to combining them at the trainer NPC. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to summon your very own spectral steed, ready to assist you in your adventures. The first crucial step is to gather the essential materials. You will need one seal of the phantasmal steed, which can often be acquired from the NPC Moss in Elbeland. Additionally, collect 10 fragments of Resurrection and 5 jewels of Bless. These items are the foundational components for crafting your magnificent ghost horse, so ensure you have them all before proceeding. Once you have all your materials, head to the trainer NPC in Laurentia. This NPC is your key to creating the ghost horse. Open the Guardian Resurrection menu and carefully place your seal of the phantasmal steed, 10 fragments of Resurrection, and 5 jewels of Bless into the combination slots. Confirm the combination, and with a bit of luck, your ghost horse will be successfully created. Congratulations, you now have your very own ghost horse. This powerful mount significantly increases your movement speed, making travel across the continent much faster. Remember, your ghost horse can also be enhanced using Guardian Enhancement Stones to further boost its capabilities. Upon creation, it may also come with various random options, adding to its unique power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.